For Monday, August 7th, 2023. Tornado Watch issued. Valid from 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A very favorable scenario for intense supercell storms exists today across portions of central eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, southwest Pennsylvania, western Virginia, and West Virginia, with severe storms expected to develop and increase by midday into early afternoon. A few tornadoes along with isolated very large hail events up to 2 inches in diameter will be possible. Widespread damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour likely this afternoon as storms approach the Appalachians. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather updates.